Meaning of hip flask.
Hip flask.
Hip flask.
Hip flask.
Hip flask. A hip flask is a small container designed to hold a portion of liquor that can be carried in a pocket. Typically made of metal, such as stainless steel or silver, it has a flat shape that allows it to fit snugly against the hip. The flask is sealed with a screw-top cap or hinged lid and often decorated with engravings or personalized designs. Hip flasks have been popular since the 18th century, used for discreetly carrying alcohol in situations where it may not be readily available or appropriate to openly consume.